Hello students, welcome back to Embedded Pathshala. So this is a lecture in our free embedded systems course on embedded C programming. So in the previous lecture, I have introduced you to our website, the courses we provide and all other things, right? And now in from this lecture, we will be start writing code in the embedded C. Okay. So in the previous lecture, I have introduced like what is embedded system, different domains available in the embedded system and all these things, right? Now let's start programming in embedded C. Okay. So the IDE we will be using for this course is STM32cubeIDE, which will be looking like this. So it is free software to install. So how to install, I will show you the steps. Here I am using Ubuntu PC and the steps will be same for all other versions. Okay. And apart from the IDE, we need one compiler, which is GCC compiler, and the cross compiler R will directly come with STM32cubeIDE. So no need to install this one separately. And now let's see step by step. Okay, first, in Ubuntu, if you are using Linux, just do Control Alt T and check GCC version. Here in my PC, GCC is available. In case in your PC GCC is not available, just do sudo apt install GCC and it will just click on enter. It will ask for your password and you can enter the password. Enter the password and GCC will get installed. But for Windows computer, it is a bit different. What you can do is just go to Google and do MinGW and download. So this will take you to something called as SourceForge. So just go to SourceForge, download this one and extract this one. Later, add this part to your environment variables and restart your system. That should install GCC on your setup. Okay, now I hope GCC is successful on both Linux and Windows. As I have only Ubuntu PC, I am showing you in Linux, but steps will be same. In Linux, you no need to do any extra configuration. Just running GCC should be fine. Okay, now how to install the IDE? To install IDE, just come to Google and do STM32 cubeIDE download. So this is the software. Okay, now how to install this software is, wait, it's loading. Think my internet is a bit slow. Yeah, alright. My God. Wait, I have PPT. So generally, this kind of screen will come in your PC. Yeah. Just as per your operating system, just click on the get latest version, or if you are looking for any specific version, you can select specific version. Okay. For now, as this is an Ubuntu PC, I will be using Debian related installation files. So here I will be clicking on get latest. If you are using Mac, click on Mac version, and if it is Windows related, you can go for Windows. And then in Ubuntu, what you should do is, for example, if you go to downloads, I think so. 1 second, guys.